I've got my Princess and the Frog bag and my Tinkerbell bag. Both of these have things in right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to swap the inners over, I think, because I haven't got any more Tinkerbell merch to put in, but I have a lot of new Princess and the Frog stuff. This one? This is a Tiana figure. I have two of these, so one of these is just gonna like go in the bag. So this is my Tinkerbell bag so far. I'm probably gonna have to move some of these around, maybe take some off. That's the Tinkerbell insert. These are all of them are official Disney pins. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take off, before transferring bags, I'm going to take off all the non-Tinkerbell pins. So I don't know whether just to keep it as like my favourites, or whether to like cram them on. This is so cute. I absolutely adore it. I've had a Disney pin collection for like properly being like a buyer, a trader, for maybe 7 or 8 years. So having a Disney pin bag was the perfect one. Let's just get out the pins. I didn't even like attach this to the bag. So this is my Tiana pin collection. I'm thinking this might be my full Tiana Princess and the Frog collection, other than my new ones. I am not hating that. Some of them are a little hard to see, but like when it like slips and slides around, that's kind of okay. That's a neat bag. It's full of pins. It's heavy. It's cute though. It's in there. It's not great, but that was a nice easy move. This move. This is gonna be fun. Fortunately, this is a very, very good bag because we have all of like the front opens up, so this makes it so much easier to actually like pin stuff. I do still want to have the fabric layer, just so, I mean, I could just put all the pins on there, but I'm not so keen on like having this border. I do have some fabric stickers, very kindly given to me by a couple of my friends. I might put some green felt down the sides, because this is like the perfect kind of size, so I could just fill this, move the pins around, because I have a few pins, and some button badges. So this is probably some of like the brightest green foam I've ever seen in my life, and that is gonna go down either side of my main bit. Let's do a quick, yeah, that's, I'll trim the corners I think, but that's, it could be a lot worse. Ooh, I know what would be cute. I'm going to take all of the pins off, which I am going to hate myself for. But what I might do is like cute like scalloped edges. I would do like a lace cut or like something cute like little stars, but I guess I can actually pin that on with the pins. Frog. This pin, it's not real, but it's, oh my gosh, I love it. I will never trade from my Tiana collection, which gives me a little less guilt about having fake pins. The August birthday pin. I'm guessing Tiana must have a birthday in August. This is the storybook pin. And then this is a custom one from Fairy Tales Are Real Co. My friend Rhiannon got me this. She got herself the Sleeping Beauty one. This is so cute. Other bits I have are these button badges and these stickers. These were given to me by Hasnat or Pettycats in the most recent time I met up with them. And like, I'm obsessed with the fabric stickers. I'm really excited to use these. I don't know whether I'll put them on the outside of the bag or not, but I finally got something with Lottie. There is like, these two are the only bits of merch of Lottie I have other than her doll that they did at the Disney store. I love Lottie. She's so cute. My friend Harry insists that she's the best character in the entire film. But like, I love them all. But Princess and the Frog it's just too good. But this is a spinner and it goes between Frog and Princess Tiana. And it's really cute. But like, I've had that a while. Never really thought to check it out. Alright, so I've got all the pins off. I'm just find something which was a gift from a friend. This is for Silly Sum Sum. I'm probably going to put him on the outside. The only issue with this is I am pretty sure he's not real. He's got like the Japanese tags and stuff, and he's got the big Disney parks thing and everything's in Japanese. So he looks like not that bad if he is fake, but it's this which is confusing me. I've not really been alive on the Sum Sum collecting scene. Right, I've got all these off and I'm going to get on to doing this. So I'm thinking if I just fold it in half and then like cut some scallops, I guess. Hang over the edge. Oh yeah, that's gonna be cute. So now I need to fill this with pins. Sorry, I'm doing it my way around so I can actually see what I'm doing. I have the temptation to put all the buttons along the top. I think that's going to be a good idea. Fortunately, right at the end of filming this video, my camera ran out of battery, so we don't have an actual like clip of me finishing it, but I decided to add in the footage that I took for my full itabag collection, so at least like you get the satisfaction of knowing what it looks like right at the end. Thanks so much for watching this video today. I hope you enjoyed it and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!